Okay, universe, let's get physical. What in the world is matter?
Is it this? Or this? How about this cute floof? Yes! They're all matter!
Scientists define it with two superpowers, mass and space. Mass is the stuff in stuff. It's why this rock feels heavy. It resists my push. Occupying space means it has volume. This rock says this spot is INE, solid, liquid, gas. Ice, water, steam, all the same matter, just changing how it parties in space. Heating up matter makes its particles dance faster, sometimes so fast they escape and become gas. But what if we peek deeper? All matter is made of tiny atoms, unseeable building blocks.
Atoms are the VIPs. They link up in billions of ways to create everything you see. These two have the same SI as E. They occupy the same space. So why do they feel so different?
The mass is different. The rubber has more stuff, more atoms, packed into the same space. We call that density. But what about air? It's invisible. Does it have mass? Or is it just nothing? Yes, air is matter. It's made of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, all tiny molecules with mass. Liquids and gases definitely take up space. Try pushing an empty cup upside down into water. Let's get weird. What if matter couldn't occupy space? What if things could merge? Chaos. You couldn't sit, stand, or hold anything. The universe would be a ghostly mess. So mass is fundamental. But how do we measure it? Not all scales are the same. Weight is the pull of gravity on your mass. It can change. Mass is the actual amount of you stuff.
On the moon, you'd weigh less because gravity is weaker. But your mass, the atoms that make you, is scientists measure space with liters or cubic meters and mass with kilograms. Together, they define any matter. But light has energy, zips through space, but has no rest mass. So it's not matter.
And that's how we harness the power of the sun. Now, if you'll excuse me, nature calls.
Quick quiz. Use your new powers. What has mass and takes up space?
Atoms are the alphabet. Matter is the story they write. Just a few types can create a tree, a tiger, or a telescope. Matter can change. Cutting, melting, dissolving, that's a physical change. Same stuff, new shape. But burning, rusting, digesting, that's chemical change. Atoms break old friendships and form new.
What if matter mixes? Gases and liquids love to mingle on their own. This is called diffusion.
Even solids can mix into liquids. The sugar's mass just occupies the water's space now.
But I can't walk through walls. Solid matter wins.
You are a perfect example. Your body has mass. You're occupying space right now.
And you're made of organized matter. Cells built from molecules, built from atoms.
Cooking also changes matter. Heat rearranges atoms to tastier, smellier.
Plants are matter magicians. They take lightweight gases and water, use sunlight's energy, and build. And here's the deepest secret. Mass is a form of energy. Einstein showed us.
The bonds holding your atoms together contain insane amounts of locked-up energy.
What if we break matter apart? In nuclear fission, we split a big atom's nucleus.
A tiny mass converts into huge energy. That's the power in nuclear plants. In stars, it's the opposite. Fusion smashes small atoms together.
And that missing mass becomes the starlight that warms our planet.
Some matter is tricky. This stuff can hold huge amounts of water in its space. Its mass increases, but it's still the same polymer plus water.
A black hole has incredible mass in a small space, warping the universe around it.
Information, waves, feelings don't have mass or occupy space. They are not matter.
One of these doesn't fit the definition. Can you find it?
In space, without gravity, matter still has mass and occupies space.
Liquids form spheres because molecules cling together.
We can now measure the mass of unbelievably tiny things. A single protein, a particle of smoke.
If it has mass, however tiny, it's matter.
Two pieces of matter can't occupy the same space at the same time.
It's the first rule of the universe, and sharing.
Recycling is matter management, conserving its mass and giving it new life in space.
What if matter didn't change state? No rivers, no clouds, no breath on a cold day. A much less interesting world.
Quantum tiny particles are more like smears of probability, but their collective mass and space are still real. Every bubble is matter in action. Gas trapped in liquid, rising because it's less dense.
Then releasing its matter into the air. Science is delicious.
In the grand story, the matter from the Big Bang cooled, clumped, and became galaxies, Earth, oceans, and eventually, curious minds wondering about it all.
So you have a universal matter detector in your brain. Just ask. 1, does it have mass? 2, does it occupy space? 2, yes, it's matter. Mass, check. Space, check. Matter. Book, mass, check. Space, check. Matter. Water, mass, check. Space, check. Matter. Floof, mass, check. Space, check. Definitely matter. Rock, air, atoms, wood, you. Matter, matter, matter. From the smallest atom to the greatest galaxy, it's all matter that has mass and occupies space.
So that's it. A simple, powerful idea that builds everything.
You understand it now. You are a collection of ancient atoms. Alphabets have.
Go forth with your mass and space and be amazing matter.
Remember, mass and space. That's matter. Thanks for exploring with me.